In a vast, tranquil lake, a solitary osprey named Orion lived. His wings, a vibrant blend of black and white, stood out against the azure sky. One day, Orion faced a challenge. A fierce storm had swept across the lake, causing the fish to scatter and hide. Orion, who relied on his sight to catch his meals, was left with an empty sky and an empty stomach. Orion was disheartened. He sat on the edge of his nest, watching the waves lash against the shore. His hunger panged, but his spirit was more troubled by his inability to adapt. In the stillness of the night, an old wise owl named Ophia flew in. She saw Orion's plight and offered a suggestion. "Adapt, Orion," she said. "You have been given the eyes of an eagle. Use them to see beyond the storm." Orion, stubborn and proud, refused. He believed his gift was meant only for catching fish, not for adapting to change. Days passed, and Orion grew weaker. His once vibrant feathers lost their sheen, and his spirit grew dim. One day, Orion spied a fish swimming near the surface, but the storm made it impossible to dive and catch. He remembered Ophia's words and looked around. He saw a flock of birds hanging on to tree branches, riding out the storm. Inspired, Orion took a deep breath and leapt off his nest. He flew higher than he ever had before, riding the storm's winds and finding a safe haven in the clouds. From the sky, he spied a fish, and with a swift dive, he caught it. Orion returned to his nest, his hunger sated and his spirit renewed. He realized that his gift was not just about catching fish, but about adapting to change, about seeing beyond the storm. From that day forward, Orion was no longer a bird bound to the lake. He was a bird that could soar above the storm, a bird that could adapt, a bird that could see beyond. And his wings, once a vibrant blend of black and white, now shimmered in the sunlight, a testament to his adaptability and resilience.